Welcome to lecture number 5, Creating Python Environment. Actually, creating Python environment has never been easier than using the Jupyter notebook existing within Anaconda. Creating notebook server to perform computing analysis of data and solve business tasks and publish reports is very easy actually using a Jupyter notebook and Anaconda. In order to install Anaconda, we need a computer connected to any mean to data sources. We need a computer connected by any mean to data sources you are going to use. This is mean if you would like to connect to database server or remote data source like European Central Bank, you will need for that internet connection. If you want to use database server, local database server inside your organization, local area network, you will need a computer connected to the LAN of the company. You will also need 4 GB memory RAM recommended for this computer, in which you are going to work with Jupyter Notebook and install Python 3. Second, we will need to install Jupyter Lab or Anaconda first. Then inside Anaconda there is Jupyter Lab, just a place or editor to allow writing your creative instructions to machine in order to solve tasks or create reports. Only 1 and 2 existing and very good Python programmer can replace any business intelligence tool existing, such as Power BI or SAP BI. That's why learning Python and data analysis is really helpful and desired qualifications by all companies, because these programmers actually playing a very important role to reduce costs of buying business intelligence tools such as SAP or Power BI. In order to install Anaconda, we'll go to this link. This is the link from which we can install Anaconda. Down in the bottom of the page, here you can choose the operating system matching your computer. If it's Windows, then click on 64 or 32-bit according to your computer. And after installing it, after downloading it, you will have to install the package. And after that, after installing the package, you will find the Jupyter notebook here on the screen, Anaconda Navigator. Once you open Anaconda Navigator by double click, it will launch Google Chrome or any other browser window and display this screen. Okay, in this screen, here is the root bus we use in order to store our files. And if we would like to create new notebook, we'll click on the new on the upper right corner, then choose Python 3 Navigator on your desktop icon, you will launch this screen in which there is something called Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab. You will click on Jupyter Notebook to launch the program, and then you should wait for a while until the program launch and start all required services and server within your local computer so that you can write Python code inside Jupyter Notebook. It takes little bit time because it's starting mini service and also starting a local server here in your computer, local host in this port 88893. This is Explorer for the files and directories within your computer. Usually you should create a directory in the desktop, and once you create it, it's gonna be listed here with these folders. So I am on the root folder now, so I would like to get into desktop folder. Inside desktop folder, you may add a directory called data visualization or Python 4, and then you will start to create your program or notebook here. In order to start or create a notebook, you will go to the upper right corner and click New, then Python 3. Okay, now you have notebook, new notebook with untitled name. You can type your Python code here. I will test by just typing simple print statement hello and then click run. So it's working fine. There is another way to start the Jupyter Notebook server without picking the icon from the desktop here. You can go to start menu, then choose Anaconda prompt, and in here there is a command prompt waiting for your command to be written here. You will type Jupyter space notebook, then press enter. This is much easier way. We'll start the Jupyter Notebook server directly and launch also the folder Explorer automatically. This is all about our lecture, and see you at next video and next lecture. Have a good day.